Hi there. In this landing page Spark review, I'm going to show you a tool that can help you build high-converting landing pages and drive traffic using 100 plus free traffic sources. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades OTOs so you'll know exactly what's included before making a decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kamal, an experienced six-figure affiliate marketer with over 5 years in the industry. I make these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to grow your online income. If that sounds good, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses for you if you decide to grab Landing Page Spark through my link below. Check the description for details. You don't want to miss them. What is Landing Page Spark? Landing Page Spark is a business-in-a-box solution that provides ready-made landing pages designed to convert like crazy. Email sequences with proven open rates over 60%. Access to 100+ free traffic sources to drive visitors instantly. It's perfect for beginners or anyone who wants to set up their online business fast without struggling with tech or paying for expensive ads. What's cool about this tool? What makes this system stand out is how simple it is. You don't need coding skills, marketing expertise, or a big budget. With Landing Page Spark, the hard work is done for you. Plug-and-play landing pages, proven traffic strategies, bonus training to help you win affiliate contests. Now, let's be real. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. Like any business tool, you'll need to put in the effort to get results. But with everything this system provides, you'll have a solid foundation. Here are some standout features. Drag and drop landing pages. Create stunning pages in minutes with zero coding. High converting email templates. Use pre-written emails to build relationships and boost sales. Massive traffic library. Get access to over 100 free traffic sources to drive leads and sales without spending a dime. Insider training. Learn secrets from top affiliates to scale your business. How it works. It's super straightforward. Log in. Access the dashboard from anywhere. Set up your landing page. Customize your design with ease. Drive traffic. Use the provided strategies to start attracting visitors. No complicated setups or confusing tech. Just follow the steps and you're ready to go. Let's talk about the upgrades, OTOs. Here's what you'll see after purchasing the main product. Pro Upgrade. Unlock additional features and remove limits. Done for you package. Have everything set up for you so you can save time. Traffic Boost. Add-on. Gain access to even more traffic sources. Reseller rights. Earn 100% commissions by selling this tool yourself. Choose the upgrades that suit your needs and skip the rest if they're not relevant to your business. What I like about Landing Page Spark. It's beginner-friendly and perfect for those without tech skills. The pre-made templates save a ton of time. You can create multiple income streams, whether you're driving traffic, selling affiliate offers, or building your email list. What I don't like. While it's great for beginners, advanced marketers may find it a bit limiting if they need highly custom solutions. You'll still need to put in the work to see results. This isn't an autopilot tool. If you're looking for an affordable, beginner-friendly way to launch or scale your online business, Landing Page Spark is worth checking out. You can grab it using my link below, and don't forget about the exclusive bonuses I've put together for you. They're waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. Thanks for watching my Landing Page Spark review. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and tips. See you in the next video.